This video shows how to create a recipe category on the Converge oven with Deluxe control. A category allows the user to label and group recipes together. Categories can be viewed at the bottom of existing recipe screens and can be easily managed in ChefLink. To create a category, do the following. Touch the Recipes icon. Touch an existing Recipes Edit icon. Scroll to Categories. Touch the plus icon to add a category. Enter the category name. Touch the check mark. Touch the checkbox on a category to select the category. Touch the Save icon to save the recipe to the category. The category has now been created. When all recipes have been deleted from a category, it will be deleted when the oven is restarted or turned off. The category creation process is now complete. For more videos, please visit our website.